Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Sheets for AI automation with Apps Script, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Go to google.com. In the top right corner, click on the Sign In button. Enter your Google account email address. Click on the Next button. Type in your password. Click on the Next button again. If prompted, complete any two-factor authentication. Once logged in, click on the Google Apps icon in the top right corner. Select Sheets from the drop-down menu. In the Google Sheets dashboard, click on the blank sheet or choose an existing sheet. With your sheet open, click on Extensions in the menu bar. From the drop-down, select Apps Script. This will open the Apps Script editor in a new tab. You can delete any default code in the script editor. Now, start writing your automation script. You will define your functions here, using JavaScript syntax. Use the built-in Google Sheets service to interact with your spreadsheet data. To run your script, click on the Save icon to save it. Name your project in the pop-up that appears. To execute the script, click the Play button in the toolbar. If it's your first time running the script, you'll need to authorize access. Follow the prompts to review permissions, then click on Allow. Your automation script will now run and perform the defined actions on your sheet. Whenever you want to run the script again, simply return to the Apps Script editor and click the Play button. You can also set triggers for automated execution at specified intervals. To set a trigger, go to the Triggers icon in the left sidebar. Click on Add Trigger and follow the configuration steps. This way, you can automate your Google Sheets tasks efficiently with Apps Script. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.